Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Meta Quest 3S, a virtual reality headset that's making waves for its affordability and ease of use. If you're curious about VR but don't want to break the bank, stick around to see if this might be the headset for you. Design and comfort. First up, let's talk design. The Quest 3S weighs just 18.13 ounces, making it one of the lightest VR headsets out there. It's super comfortable to wear, even during extended gaming sessions. The new dedicated buttons for pass-through video and volume control are a nice touch, replacing the tricky touch-sensitive area from the Quest 2 display and performance. The display offers a resolution of 1832 by 1920 pixels per eye. While that's lower than the Quest 3, it still delivers a solid experience for casual users. However, the Fresnel lenses can cause some fuzziness at the edges, so keep that in mind. Features and functionality. Meta has positioned this headset for casual users, and it shows. With a library full of games, like the ever-popular Beat Saber, you'll have plenty to keep you entertained. Plus, the color pass-through feature is a great upgrade, letting you see your surroundings while wearing the headset, battery life and usability. Now let's talk battery life. Expect around 2 hours on a good day, which might not sound like much, but honestly, it's about all you'll want before needing a break. And that's okay. VR can be intense. One downside, the pass-through video can be a bit fuzzy, making it tough to check your phone or type on your laptop without taking the headset off. Final thoughts. So, is the Meta Quest 3S worth it? For casual users looking to dip their toes into VR without spending a fortune, I'd say yes. It's not the most powerful headset on the market, but it's definitely a great entry point. At just $300, it's the perfect way to explore VR, especially if you're eager to play games like Beat Saber or try out Horizon Worlds. Just remember, it's all about having fun, not just high-end specs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights.